this course, which I hope is going to solve a lot of your watercolour painting problems. Over the years, there's quite a lot more than I want to mention, I've been teaching people. I've noticed that the same problems and challenges come up time and again. It's really quite amazing. So I've had a good think and a good look through lots of my videos from YouTube, which can be a bit difficult to find, I know sometimes, and I've put together a course which hopefully will address the problems which are most encountered. Okay, so it's probably, I don't know how to do my shadows. That's one, that's a good one. I don't know how to get that perspective right. Yeah, that's another one. Oh, colour mixing. I try not to go to the green that's in the box, but when I mix, I end up with mud. Well, that's another one as well. So there's quite a few, really. So I hope that you will find any problem that you've been stumbling over time and again, and this is not just beginners, it's experienced painters as well, still have a problem with the same old subject or technique or whatever it is. Anyway, I put it all together and I hope it's going to help you. Now let me know if the problem you are having isn't there, because then I can add it. Anyway, whatever you're doing today, keep safe and keep painting. Bye for now.